so many harsh words.
We will never achieve our full potential as a country if we are prepared to accept situations in which groups of people are marginalized. LGBT people, visible or not, have always been active members of Jamaican society. But where stigma and discrimination prevent them from living their lives fully, not only do they individually lose out, but so do we as a society as a whole. 15 or so years ago, when I was asked as an ally to speak in the media on human rights issues affecting some members of the community, it was because there were not that many members of the community or allies who felt able to do so, given the potential backlash. I have to ask my colleagues to forgive me for some of the mistakes I made in that role. It is good to have seen the progress over the years, to see the work of members of the community achieve so much. The increased visibility is particularly heartening to me. The increased numbers of spokespersons, the increased public events, the open involvement in issues affecting us all. Progress has been made in the past, and it can be made in the future. Not always easy or without challenges, but the dreams and goals are worth it. My name is Susan Goff. I am Jamaican. We are Jamaicans.
But we